Well, hope all the bikers are keeping dry. So wet evening, flooded. You know, we are in the streets like the white line, bro. Yes, sir. For a bad bit. Hey. Yeah. Find the best route. Best route is the same lane this Range Rover is going in. Don't turn. I hope I don't get stuck in this rain. Oh yes, it's coming down. All that water. I said I saw a taxi man a while ago, you know, I watch him, you know. So my light turned green and I did I wait same way. I watch the taxi man and he realized nobody now going just go cross. And I said, I know he did I pass, man. That's why I stay. That's why it's good. When you go through stop like them, you wait a little bit. Because I tell you the other driver, they have intention to go through. Wet evening, yeah. Stop at this dry spot then. I'll bite now, I'm up in a bite even more. Gotta drop out. Gotta watch him boy kicking down the door. Hey, for some Christian Dior. We was about to send 100 packs to your neighborhood. I knew my baby would. I never knew I would have to face the music. I see this and I keep on choosing. I see the helicopters moving in. Boomba water! Boomba! What you do, bro? Water, dog! Blood fire! What that's so? Idiot! Couldn't even go to sleep! A lot of my friends. Oh, they can't cross it! But I'm mine. Fake a real. Boomba, watch water! Hey! Wanna ride my dick like a stallion? She just wanna pop her ex like my cup. Boomba, watch water. And family important, you just gotta embrace it. The water reach up to my shores. I was watching Family Guy when the police and Batty boy. Man see water I still I got too fast. Manners. You're 19 with 25 in a day. You only eat 3 times a day. You gotta. Big rig cross the road. Alright, this sidewalk, you see? You there one light. Be a water dog. Try not wait up nobody coming on, nobody come for me. Baby girl. Ooh, my foot them. No, me hear the bike from far now. This is a bike I can't last, you know. Oh boy. Machine. What you want? And me dropping height. Oh boy. Yes, sir? Oh, yeah? Oh! Eh? Bombard! Eh? Eh? You have to park up? Park up, you park up? I'm parking up. Eh! No! Eh! Eh! Yo, me I watch the rain. I miss the whole evening start rain. Come down, it stop. It come down, it stop. Put my foot right now. time, you know. The man then nah take time, dog. The man then just rip it through the blouse and skirt wet plate. Hey, me see it, man, me see it. Take it inside. Blood fire. You know, tap out this one and no blood, nah, wet. This is no joke, you know. Rain, water. Watch out. Bombard! Lay me, I lay down right now, you know? Blood fire, man. Can't tap in this, you know? Bombard! I'm just like you. Bombard out for perfume so wicked. But they have a piece of cologne there, body of fresh. What's that? Bombard. Eh?
That's smoke so.
Now water, man. My bike not used to water, you know. Mood frightened if you not start back.
Start, man. Yes, I got that guy.
When you reach home. Bombard. This one now well comfortable for a phone. My dog well comfortable for a phone. The whole of my pants, the underneath, the thigh part, that's so wet. So dog, you swerve, so I went to it. Yeah, people. Remember if you like up the video. Hold it. Surge. Take the outside. Shoes I was soaked. Real, no real. This time it was so unexpected. All legends fall in the making. You don't know the people that the bike shit, eh? Same thing. This a man a cover him ignition to blow out. No water go down there. Cover in key ignition. Yeah, that's the world we live in now. Yeah, hold on to hear me out. Don't be on the white line too long, people. You have no right when you're out on the white line. A vehicle hits you, it's your fault. Woo, blood fire. Watch a patrol there. Bomba. Me jumping out already too, you know. straight a yard we go. Oh, up in that rain we are going up. Yeah, we get the bike ahead some distance because you don't know. I'm so confused. Yeah, move like you want to overtake. Move forward. What's this coming? Oh! Why? Or can you be overtaking here now? Check your blouse and skirt mirror. Wet. We're gonna get soaked. We're gonna get wet. But out that's so bad. Go around the truck, my dog. Yeah, go around truck, I eat up on the truck, and I say you go around truck, my G. You go out on the outside, you look if nothing forward. What do you mean? Film them up at nice. Oh! Don't believe, take your brakes. Ay. Woo! Now I pay the juice. But my freaking hell! Keep his they gon' flip his Oh man, curse! We're tight. Bunch of hollows beating on the Glock. One thing with the Jamaican biker, they love riding our line. One directly behind the other. Me know, I stay staggered. So if you're there in front of me, I'm going to either be to the left or to the right. Now I'm going to directly behind her like that. Take time, go on. Oh yeah, for the bikers them, we have like all them red button here, aka kill switch. You want cover your kill switch, especially when it rain. Cover your kill switch in them time, you see me? Cause little water go down in them sick here. Them 10 feet get corroded and then make your bike now start on them things. So anytime you see little rain a fall, and you have to ride out in the rain, you cover it. Or if you park your bike outside, you just make sure it's covered. You did. Now them time with the water on the road and thing, want to make sure say everything you do slow. You brake slow, you apply gentle pressure for your brake. It's not like when you ride on dry ground. Wet ground, very slippery. Everything oiled up on the ground. And all of them things that sometimes in some area you wash down things from half of the road like rock and them something there and loose dirt, so you want to be very gentle for your brake. Be very gentle when you turn, you know, and all of them things there. You know what bad too? When you ride on a wet road and then you go on a dry road and then back on a wet road again. That dangerous, because guess what? I rain over. Dry! You don't know how I go on. You don't know how I go on. Hope you're dry, don't blow. After we think I hope you're rain there. Boy, Marvin. Go on, man, go on, go on. You're afraid, you're afraid. I know him there, man.